Okay then. Right, so we've got 10 contestants, out of which 5 will be moving on to the next round. And in no particular order, I will be announcing the 5 contestants who will make it to the final round. Kibam Maimrao. All right, contestant number 9. All right, the next contestant to move on to the next round, we have contestant number 8. We also have contestant number 13. We've got 2 more slots. The next contestant to make it to the next round is contestant number 10. And now the last contestant who will be moving on to the next round is contestant number 12. Ladies and gentlemen, the contestants will not be moving on, will take another walk. I request all of you to give a big round of applause for all of their efforts. So that's some good news. They'll be provided with a pen and paper. They'll be sitting down. A judge, one of our respected judges, will be asking a question which will be common for everyone. They will get 1 minute to write their answers on the paper, and then each of the contestants will be coming up and reading out their answers. This will be the final round, after which we will select our winner and the runners-up. Can I ask the volunteers to please bring the chairs on stage?
True essence of being a woman. Your time starts now.
4, 3, 2, 1, and that's your time. Can we have contestant number 9?
The true essence of being a woman is to be unapologetically herself and being humble, kind, patient, God-fearing, selfless, and being the best version of herself no matter what. Thank you very much.
A woman takes care of everyone that comes in her life. She is graceful and full of dignity. She is a form of goddess. Thank you.
Contestant number 13 next.
The true essence of being a woman is 1. Self-confidence woman. Be a self-confidence woman. 2. An independent woman. Enjoy yourself, be independent, be who you are. And be an inspiration for all. You are you, so inspire everyone and choose to be who you are, be unique. Be a good mother who gives birth to a good child. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We will now have contestant number 10.
True essence of a woman is she is the origin of a child. Within her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. She is the one who creates a good society by raising a good child, the pillar of the nation. Thank you.
Yeah, please. Our final contestant, number 12.
A very good evening once again. A woman is the personification of ageless beauty, resilience. She is a woman of beauty with purpose and brain. She is a woman of substance. She is the pillar of strength, not only to her family, but to the society and the country as a whole. She is the backbone of a nation's economy. That is the true essence of a woman. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I don't envy the judges' jobs right now. We've got a lot of strong answers. Right. I think I've learned a lot about what it means to be a woman. We will now have some time for the judges to tabulate the final score. The contestants will be walking back once again when the judges are ready. TKS 2022. The second runners-up is Miss Contestant number 13.
Can I have our TKS president on the stage?
Thank you so much.